Hello folks, Stars and Stripes RC here. Had a friend ask me about how to or what he needed to get in order to make a DC battery charger work on AC. And it's simple, it's just a power source that you need. If you'll look here on the charger I'm using as an example is a Hitec multi-charger X1 touch 200 watt charger. And then the power source that I have is the Green Power AC adapter 350 watt. And so you simply have a lead that you plug into the charger here, which goes to the power source and plugs in red to red, black to black, obviously. And then if you notice, I have two more ports. I could actually run two of these battery chargers off of that power supply. It would probably cut the wattage down, obviously, but you could do that. And then you have your plug for your battery plugs in here and goes to your battery. And then you have your balance board that plugs in. Now you can only charge one battery on this charger at a time, which is no biggie. But what I'm going to give as an example is I'm going to plug I got my GeForce 4-cell 2200 plugged in. Now looking at the charger, it is a touch screen, so it's very simple to operate. So if you see here, you have a selection you can do: LiPo, Lion Life, nickel metal hydride, NiCad, and so on. So I want it on LiPo. And then over on the other side, as you can see, you have charge, discharge, storage, fast charge, balance charge. You can test your servos, your motor, but I want it on balance charge. Obviously, I always charge my batteries on balance charge. Then I want to set the cells for the charge, which is here. You just push the cell button and it gives you an option to change it. I have it set to 4S. You can go down here or up over here. It goes from 1 cell all the way up to 6. So I wanted it 4 cell. Hit enter. It takes you back to the main screen. Now on your capacity, your milliamp capacity button, you'll press that, and as you see, it's already set to 2200 milliamp batteries, but you could change that depending on what milliamp battery you're charging, whether it's 2200, 3300, 5000, whatever. But I want that at 2200, so I'll hit enter on that. Takes you back to the main screen again. So once you hit the start button, it automatically checks your battery and makes sure that you're at the right cell and capacity, and then begins to charge. And there, from that screen, you can check the balance status, which shows that it's still balancing. For the most part, each cell is at 4.20. Now, that tone tells me, as you can see, each cell's at 4.20, but that tone tells me that the battery is done charging. So, one other feature on this is you have a graph you can go to. It tells you the time it took to charge it and the voltage, etc. And then now once I hear that tone and I know it's done charging, now I just simply hit the stop button. Takes me back to the main screen, and I disconnect the battery from the balance board and from the charger. And then I'd go ahead and continue to charge whatever other batteries I have to charge. But it is an extra piece of equipment to do it this way, but like I said, it's not a huge deal. Most of the time I charge at home anyway. I don't carry my chargers out to the field. I'll charge my batteries the night before, and they're just fine the next day. If in fact, if it goes down any at all, it's maybe 1%. So I just don't choose to charge my batteries at the field. I charge my batteries as to what I want to fly the next day, and how many batteries I charge. I go out and I fly those batteries, and then I'm done for the day. But at any rate, that's the quick look at the Hitec X1 Touch 200 and the Green Power AC adapter. Works for me, and thank you for watching.